Yes, I'm really excited about this and we are hoping that you're gonna like. But before telling you what's happening there, let's have a quick glance what we have achieved so far. So I'm Nika, head of marketing team at Bitforx, and I want to quickly go over what's happening inside the building behind me. There are almost 100 people employed and almost 12,000 miners working all under one name, Bitforx. It's almost impossible to talk inside the building, so we had to record this video outside, but I'm gonna take you in a quick tour inside the firm. All this you should see with your own eyes, so just follow me. Now let's move to the new location again. The real reason we are here is to show you the building of this new facility. To talk about the scales, after finishing building this data center, we're gonna have more than 25,000 miners working, as well as 14 megawatt used for mining. And these two data centers together will be the same size as 2 football fields. And of course, limitless hash power for you to purchase via Bitforx. We wanted to show you the whole building process of this new data center, so this is gonna be just first part of the vlogs we're gonna make. Make sure to stay tuned and see you next time.